Parang simula pagkabata napakadami mo ng pinagdaanan 'no? Okay, parang alam mo yung energy mo sobrang dami mo na ritong napagdaanan 'no, and I'm seeing you na mas nagiging strong ka because of that 'no, and I do see 'no, na sa kabila ng lahat ng pinagdaanan mo 'no, you remain firm. You stand pa rin your ground right in here 'no, and your faith, you're holding on to your faith, 'yan. So let me see what's really happening right in here. But it looks like there's an energy right here 'no, na parang kaabang-abang, 'yan oh. Parang yung mga mare-reveal sa'tin yung mga informations ay talaga namang kaabang-abang 'no, okey. Yung iba sa inyo nakita ko 'no, parang puwede na talagang gawing teleserye ang buhay niyo. Sa dami ng pinagdaanan ninyo 'no, pero kinaya, kinaya niyo guys 'no, yun yung energy na napi-pick up ko from here. Okay, let me see what does it has to do with the other informations right in here. Let's go. Oh. Alam mo, I'm hearing banda 'no, yung banda na pang-piyesta, yung mga gano'n 'no, especially 'pag sa mga probinsya 'di ba, ang lalakas nung banda 'no, at siyempre kapag may banda anong meron? May selebrasyon. So yan nakikita natin yun dito 'no, with the World card energy, Five of Swords right in here, okay? So let me see more. We have here the Star. See, look at that 'no, speaking of celebration 'no, this is your energy 'no, na heavily kong napi-pick up from here 'no, and it looks like you know what I'm picking up from this 'no, the World, Five of Swords 'no, the Star, two major arcanas 'no, okay. I do see sa kabila ng mga issues ngayon 'no, na nagaganap 'no, sa ating, bansa 'no, at sa kung saan-saan pa 'no, nakikita ko na ang next na pag-uusapan ay ikaw, yes, babes 'no, ikaw mga babes 'no, ikaw na nanonood ngayon at nakikinig rito 'no, ikaw yung next na issue, hot topic. Eh, teka lang minsan hindi naman ako kasali diyan sa flood control na 'yan. Hindi naman ito tungkol dun 'no, ibig lang sabihin nito 'no, nakikita natin dito 'no, na this is not something here negative, but the world 'no, is an indication of a lot or a group of energies 'yan 'no, talking about you, 'yan 'no, pag-uusapan ka rito but sinabi ko nga 'no, this is not something negative. So, ano nga ba yung puwede nating i-look forward dito? Wow, we've got the Three of Coins energy, the Judgment, energy ay present din dito. We also have here for you guys. Yeah, I'm seeing you sitting pretty right here, Four of Swords. We also have here the Moon. Wow! And this is a surprise. Like you will be in a different situation, eh, nakikita natin 'no, near future, immediate future, hindi na 'yun magtatagal 'no, malapit na 'yun 'no. So with the Moon card energy, this is a surprise to you 'no, pero ikakanta na natin kung ano yung mga nakikita natin dito here for you guys. Now you've got the Six of Cups energy, Page of Wands right in here, Three of Swords. Wow, ang ganda ng mga pinagsasabi dito sa'yo mga babes 'no, I love it. We also have here this Fool card energy, like this is a journey na tatahakin mo pa lang for a lot of you. Ito pa lang yung energy yung tatapakan ninyo, but definitely I cannot deny that this is so beautiful. This is so amazing. This is so awesome right in here. We have here at the bottom of the deck, wow, the Six of Wands energy, the Nine of Cups right in here, and the Seven of Wands. Definitely, you are wearing that crown. You are the king. You are the queen. Wow, bongacious talaga ang energies ninyo rito. Sweetheart. So before we dive more 'no, sa inyong reading right in here, let me just make bati muna ang lahat. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning buyers ko dyan. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung hindi nyo pa alam, meron pa tayong other channel, okay? Ang link niyan down below sa ating description box. If interesado, i-click lamang yung link na yan para kayo mapunta there. At araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. At yun nga natin, gender dito sa babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome, no? So just take only what resonates. Ayan, no? Timeless tayo dito pero nakikita natin na ito ay for a lot of you, mangyayari pa lang. Yan, no? Mangyayari pa lang mga babes, no? Pero hindi na matagal ang iyong iaantay, no? Dahil ito ay right, coming up sa inyong immediate future. Nagmamadali pa nga dito, no? Na ma-experience nyo na. Wow, no? At yung iba mga babes na I'm picking up bare months right here, no? Na maaring ito ay mangyari or bare months could be an important start or beginning. Yan, bongga. So we have here the World card energy, Five of Swords right in here. People, we're gonna talk about you. Pag-uusapan ka nila, no, and they will be so interested about you, no. Yeah, okay? This might not be literal no worldwide, no. This might not be na magiging famous ka, no, worldwide, but I do see people, more people, and then marami-rami pang people ang pag-uusapan kayo dito because you are a star. The star ay talaga naman 'no, na, being born dito 'no. Pero Miss Yan, malaki na ako ngayon, eh, kakapanganak ko pa lang ba diyan? Ano ka ba? The star is born 'no. It's already written 'yan 'no, in the stars 'no. Bago ka dito mga babes, tanggalin natin yung tissue. Commercial. Bago ka dito mga babes 'no, pinanganak dito sa Earth, okay? Nakasulat na talaga ito ang iyong tadhana 'no, na ako ay mapag-usapan Miss yan. That's just a part of it 'no, pero you were born to be a star, yan 'no. Ano ba yung mga pag-uusapan nila sa'kin Miss yan, sabi mo hindi yan negative, of course. Hindi ito negative 'no, but people right here will talk about 'no, "Anong ginawa mo? Three of Coins energy, Judgment card right in here. Paanong lagi mong naipapanalo or paanong laging nagiging successful ang outcome ng ginagawa mong project, ng ginagawa mong job task, ng work task mo? Paano mo nagagawa 'yan 'no? And paano nangyari na successful ka rito sa iyo ritong kaperahan?" 'Yan 'no. People ay nagiging curious 'no, kung paano mo yun nagagawa 'no. People want to know your secret, 'yan 'no. Secret. So with the Four of Swords energy, you're sitting pretty right in here, sweetheart na babae, lalaki, LGBT, no? I'm seeing you right in here, no? You are in this type of energy, not rushing into something, no? You're just effortlessly attracting here a lot of good opportunities. You are very lucky. Nakikita natin dito. And nakikita natin dito wala kayong problema, no? Like upo lang kayo, hihiga lang kayo 'no, and then you're not thinking about, problems right in here, you're not thinking about finances right in here 'no. Unlike ngayon at yung mga buwan, mga taon paatras 'no, problemado kayo, yung nakahiga lang kayo tapos puro problem. I'm seeing someone here 'no, na 'pag nakahiga yung parang, pinapatong yung ano, yung kamay 'no, sa noo, gano'ng klase ng energy, yeah, okey. I do see that this is you, you are very problematic, especially when it comes to your money and finances. Others, you could be problematic 'no, when it comes to love and connections with other people. However, it's about to change. The Moon card energy, this is a surprise right in here. This is about to happen. This is about to come to you, no? So ito ay nire-reveal ko, no, with the presence of the moon. You know, I'm the high priestess right in here, no? And being a priestess, I am revealing every truth hidden from you guys, no? And these are all the things, no, na hindi mo nalalaman pero sinasabi, kinakanta na natin here for you guys, no? Six of Cups energy, no? Definitely people also will talk about your love life right in here, no? Ay siguro, dati marami siguro yang naging boyfriend, girlfriend kasi ang ganda niya, ang lakas ng charm niya, ang lakas ng appeal niya, ang gwapo niya. Yun oh, see? Kayo dito ay pinagkihinalaan pa na posibleng napakarami raw nagkakagusto sa inyo way back before, no? Parang since you were child, no? Or you were young, no? Marami na nagkaka-crush sa'yo, marami ng mga nagbibigay sa'yo ng mga parang mga pa-Valentines, di ba? Mga love letters noon-noon, no? Nagbibigay sa'yo ng mga chocolates, flowers, mga ganyan, no? So, iniisip ng iba, no, ikaw ay habulin, no? That boys and girls, no, are going crazy over you guys, no? And I do pick up right in here that they're thinking, yeah, they're thinking na marami ka ng pinaiyak dito dahil syempre isa lang naman ang dapat piliin, 'di ba? Pero marami rito ang lumuha, no? Dahil syempre gusto rin nila na maging ka-in relationship ka. So, ang iniisip ng iba rito, you are a certified heartbroker. Heartbroker. Heartbreaker, you know? So, yun yung nasa thoughts nila, no? So, nakita natin dito na kung sino man tong mga energies na ito, definitely, they're thinking that you're quite famous nung nag-aaral ka pa lang, no? And up until now, because your energy gives out the vibe that you're so beautiful, sweetheart, inside and out, no? Like, people are craving for you, going crazy about you, that you have a lot of secret admirers, you have a lot of suitors, you have a lot of, people wanting to connect to you guys, no? Yan. And not just that, no? They're also thinking that your friends are also like you, no? Like, your friends, no, ay kagaya mo din daw, no? Ay siguro yung mga kaibigan niya ni Collective, kasing ganda din niya, kasing gwapo din niya, or kasing charming niya, kasing lakas din ng appeal niya. Siguro matalino rin yung mga yan. Yan, no? See? People are not really, into negative comments about you, no? Actually, they're very curious, no? Sa'yo ritong pagkatao because you are keeping it private, okay? You're just keeping it, no? Low key. Yun nakikita natin dito, no? At nakikita natin dito that your journey is about to begin. The full card energy, I'm seeing you bounding here, no? Into a different bus stop, no? And look at that, we have here the Hollywood. Maybe yung iba doon nasa bansa rito na ibang bansa, iba kahit na hindi doon sa Hollywood talaga, no? Possible na sa iba kayo rito mga bansa, but you're meant to be successful, no? Talagang ikaw ay meant na maging matagumpay dito sa iyong life, no? And I'm seeing right here, maybe someone's favorite color is pink, but no, doesn't have to be na mag-resonate yung sign na yun for all, no? But pink is the color right in here, no? Of an energy, boys and girls, okay, even boys, no? LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo, no? Pink stands for that color of, smooth flowing, okay? Parang it's like a very comfortable feeling, no worries, parang ganong klase ng energy. So I do see that this is you, you're really going, okay? Malayo, no, yung mararating mo rito, no? Or malayo yung magiging success mo dito, no? And yeah, you have this, the winning card, Six of Wands energy right in here, no? And basa, okay? You're holding a trophy right in here, no? And yung envelope na tinan mo, ano, may nakasulat dyan, eh, no? Basa. Winner, 'di ba? So definitely you're winning right in here, no? And Judgment is a major arcana, okay? And Judgment, this is your justice here. Universe is telling me that this is you, you're meant to head this pathway right in here, no? This success, this positive outcome, no? This success outcome, no? Ay lahat yours for the taking. All of your wishes right here, no? Coming true, no? These people are talking about you, no? paano mo nabibili yan, paano mo nagagawa yan. People witness your success even though you're silent about it, 'no? Maybe you're carrying a lot of groceries, 'no, pero dati maaaring nakita ka nila nangungutang ka sa tindahan, 'no, or yung binibili mo sapat lang, 'no, and then this is you, possible nanghihingi ka pa, I'm getting that sign, 'no? Possible na nanghihingi ka pa ng kanin sa kapitbahay, 'no, yung kaning lamig, yung bahaw nila, 'no, kasi nagtitipid ka, 'no, or maybe this is you, "Pautang nga muna diyan, aling ano," 'yan, 'no. So, yeah, I do see that that is not your energy, okay, especially Bear months is about to start to some of you, 'no. So, nakikita natin dito yung iba magsisimula na talaga kayo ngayong Bear months to experience this awesome changes, 'no, at nakikita natin dito, 'no, that you're winning. Look at that, Six of Wands energy na I'm seeing you thanking yourself for holding on, 'yan 'no. Pinasasalamatan mo yung sarili mo rito 'no, for holding on and moving forward, and then you're getting your wish, you know. And people are like, "Paano niyo ginawa yun?" 'No, and people are like, "How to be you ba?" 'No, and they want to know your secret 'no, but I'm seeing that you're not telling your secret. Not because you're madamot 'no, but because this is you, okay? You want this and this is your decision here, okay? And this is your alas right in here 'no, and you also want other people 'no, ah, to be successful pero sa sarili nilang kakayanan 'no. Kailangan nilang ma-discover yun, kailangan mahanap nila yun 'no, kasi you believe that bawat isang tao 'no, ay may kakayanan 'no, and bawat isa ay merong chance, 'di ba, na maging prosper sa kanyang life 'no, or to be abundant 'no, in any way possible 'no. So, because you discover this, no, and because you receive all of these blessings right in here, no, you're keeping it quiet, okay? Others of you, yes, you believe, no, na pag sinabi niyo ito baka ma-jinx, no? Kaya ginagawa niyong sinisecret niyo ito, yan, no? Or tinatago ninyo sa inyong self, okay? Para patuloy pa rin ninyong ma-receive yung gantong klase ng mga biyaya. So, I do see people right here, no, ay talaga naman na, iniisip nila 'no, paano ka naging ganyan, okey? Kasi na-witness nila, kung paano ka nag-struggle, 'yan oh, ito yung mga tao, okey, or yung marami-rami sa mga tao na ito ay yung mga tao na nakakita 'no, kung paano ka rito talaga nag-struggle 'no, and they just can't believe what they're seeing 'no. You're, ah, nagiging successful dito. And you're not boasting about it, no? You're just keeping it low key, but you're very grateful and you're claiming, no, that you're lucky. So, yun ang nakikita natin dito, your prayers ay sinasagot dito, no? At nakikita natin dito, iniisip din nila na kapag magkakaroon ka na ng anak, na maswerte talaga yung bata, yan, no? Dahil ikaw yung magulang. And naiisip rin nila rito, no, na yun nga kanina, di ba, marami raw kayo rito na naging ka-in relationship dahil sa inyong tinataglay na charm, malakas ang appeal sa inyo ditong physical appearance, no? Okay, yun ang akala nila pero iba sa inyo nakita ko rito 'no, okay, like, hindi lalampas sa 5 yung naging inyong ex-lover, 'yan 'no. And yeah 'no, you're getting right here justice also when it comes to love 'no. Iba sa inyo, you're gonna meet here 'no, the exact perfect match ng inyong energy 'no. So sasabihin nila, "Wow, eh, grabe yung lover talaga ni Collective, nasa kanya na talaga lahat. Successful siya sa career niya, may pera siya, ibang-iba na talaga siya ngayon, plus meron pa siya rito na new love na talaga naman na have din." Exactly, because you're winning the Judgment, Six of Wands energy, your wishes are all coming true, your prayers are all answered right in here, and you're just shh, hush, hush, right here, no? You're keeping it quiet, you're living it silently right in here, and you're enjoying it. Wow! So definitely you're winning sweethearts, you know. So yeah, for the initials right in here, yes, we do have. We have here the letter L, andito rin letter R, nandito rin ang letter Q. Wow, that's letter Q, no? We have here letter S, mawawala ba dito ang letter O, andito rin ang letter J, and last but not the least, the letter A. Might be initials ninyo or initials nyo right in here. Just take how this resonates and thank you so much, Kay, for your time here, babe. Again, I'm Yuriana Ani. Congratulations and I'm so proud of you. Yeah, this is our things na surprise for you, no? Pero nireveal na natin, no? Okay, so you can step into this type of energy na i-claim ito so that this will move faster. Okay? Right here. So yeah, thank you so much. Again, I'm Mirana Ani. Sarang Heyo, love and light. And you know.